Big up Crosses TV.
Big up yourself, Crosses TV. But don't want nobody go online and go on and my video them and tell me kill this. You see? Me in my business place I work. You hear that? Let me tell you something. Look what major kill this now. We find the time for make the video with the saga and make the video all 10 minutes. You find 10 minutes for listening plus the time where you use for comment. So, the whole of it careless. Because at the end of the day, look into this. From days of our life, and you're going to resist all on the careless, and that's just a fact. Everybody them love the saga. Someone in a workplace, I want to hide underneath desks, and someone on the pun. With the earpiece in our ears, because I feel listen with Twep with Twep and Twep, 1 minute mix up again. Someone have a friend in the office, someone a Dr. Liar, Indian Chief, CEO, everything. And the all I wanna listen to the saga, see me on a comment underneath. Oh, these people are so careless, I can't deal with them. And these people ain't got nothing to do because we take time out to make the video. But what about you that take time out and listen to the video? Don't you take time out and listen to the video? It's your 10 minutes plus my 10 minutes plus Twep 10 minutes and the rest of the people that want to say kill is 10 minutes. So I take 10 minutes out on a day and some of the time we're busy. We just do the video and go and they look on Harry video, Tom video, Mary video, John video. So all for the time I want to kill is more than we. Yeah. We in our saga, real life saga, it's a reality saga. We in our things really get really real around this. Yeah. But Una telling yourself say Una is better people than us because Una only come and listen to it and then Una comment these dirty worthless people ain't got nothing to do. We got something to do. We are busy, y'all. We are busy in our place working. I can't find my next khaki thread. I need to find my next khaki thread. I don't know where to do with it. I need it to another khaki thread. I have to use a small one. So don't do it. It's unfair for you to come over here and update yourself. People have been commenting on my video who has been commenting and watching my page and my daughter page from 2007, 2006, 2005, 2004. So we know what, Liz? Yeah.